Hey everyone, it's Jamie here from Ecom Masterclass, and in this video I'll be going over the best payment plan apps for your Shopify store. Now what these apps are going to do is they're going to let you get paid instantly while spreading the customer's purchase cost over a fixed period of time. So let's say you're selling a product for $100, customer can then split those payments up into 4 separate payments of $25, making the initial cost easy for them, while you get paid instantly. I'll be going over the best apps that let that be done with your Shopify store. Overall, these apps make it super easy, so make sure you stay until the end of the video here. Before I dive into it, I want to thank our sponsor Profit Calc, the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. It's going to allow you to skip your spreadsheets and get back to growing your store with real-time calculations. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get up-to-date profit analytics, as well as many other detailed analytics so you can understand how your store is truly performing. There's a link in the description to access a 15-day free trial so you can test everything out for yourself. I'm also going to show a quick promo video.
Are you a Shopify business owner who spends hours doing your accounting? Have messy spreadsheets kept you from growing your business? Discover Profit Calc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy to read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
The first payment plan app we're going to take a look at is Shopify's very own Shop Pay Installments. The reason why I'll go over this one first, this has the easiest native integration with your Shopify store and can be set up very quickly. What it does is going to give your customers more flexibility at the checkout by letting them pay in 4 interest-free payments or monthly installments for up to 12 months. According to the statistics, they've seen up to 50% increase in average order value, and there's 100 million plus shop users already. And allows for up to 28% fewer abandoned carts. So you can see the UI here. You can just see different options from $45 over 2 weeks, $168 a month, and they get clear understanding of the interest based on the payments they're going to make. ShopPay has no hidden fees ever, and it's a fully integrated solution with everything in one place. So if you're looking to test the waters here with an installment plan, ShopPay is probably your easiest choice. Now, this probably isn't great for you watching the whole video, but I will show the other options because you may not want to use ShopPay, or you might want to have as many providers as possible to give customers the best options here. So next we'll take a look at Klarna. Klarna is a really popular payment provider in Europe with a European merchant who uses this gateway already. Klarna would be a great option to create installments. So what Klarna has done is created a Shopify app that is free. It's just going to give you on-site messaging so you can inform customers more about other installment payments can work here. We can see here on the product page, this is what it will look like, along with settings you can set up in the UI, making the on-site messaging easy to inform customers about their installment plans. If we go to Klarna's website, we can see there's different options to include this at the checkout as well when the order is shipped. So you can see once the order is confirmed and on its way, they'll charge the first installment. Also set it up for things such as every 2 weeks here. So Klarna, again, another very popular payment gateway provider that allows installments. Next, let's take a look at Sezzle, another extremely popular buy now, pay later. We can also split payments up into installments. And they do have a Shopify app integration here. We can set up Sezzle payments quite easily, and it will be included in the checkout. So you can see in terms of the UI, you can see if you're approved, as well as the installments and how much is due today. Overall, the Sezzle app is quite easy to use for consumers as well. There's over 6 million downloads for it, so it's quite large penetration in the market. Lastly, let's take a look at Split. This is a native Shopify app here that allows customers to split payments into parts. You can set up multiple payments, or you can share payments as well, saying I will pay $800 and my recipient will pay X amount as well. They also have a PayPal integration, making it easy for customers to purchase. In terms of pricing, this one is free to install for up to 50 monthly orders for the first 90 days, and there will be a 0% commission. After that, there's unlimited monthly store orders. It's at $18 a month, and at $25 a month, get a dedicated manager and priority queue. In terms of reviews, this app has 56 reviews with a good 4.6 star rating and 39 5-star reviews. So this is going to conclude the video on the best payment plan apps for your Shopify store. There are quite a few options out there, and they all make it super easy for customers to split up their payments into most of the time interest-free installments. This is great, especially if your store is charging higher price points for their products, as it can reduce that intimidating purchase in the hundreds or thousands of dollars. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Lastly, I want to mention Profit Calc one more time. The the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. There's a link in the description below to access a 15-day free trial. Make sure you check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.